Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1966 Pontiac Tempest. That's right, Tempest. Although it may look like the GTO, one of the easiest ways to depict the Tempest from the actual GTO, almost like the Chevy 2 Novas, was that they had this post around the windows. I know you can't really see it, but you will see it in the pictures. One of the easiest depictions. There are a few other minor things different from the Tempest from the GTO, but you know, we don't know all that. But going into the basics, it features a white exterior, aftermarket style wheels. Going into the interior, you got that white and red two-tone combination. Very comfortable bench seat here. Of course, you see the emblem there, the seat. You got all your gauges functioning. Of course, you got the aftermarket temperature gauge, which is a very smart move. You have the tach also in the console, which does work. Late model 2-knob radio. Of course, you got an automatic on the column. Now that we're coming to a stop, we can give you a little bit of a brake test. Underneath the hood, you got the 400 motor. I believe it is the YK code. Still a very nice driver, still very powerful. You can hear it produces a very healthy sound from the back. It does have the aluminum radiator, which helps keep your Classic very cool. I do recommend that personally. But yeah, she's a very fun car to drive, and definitely one of the best years for this particular body style. After 67, you do know they change them on to the coupes. But yeah, that's about it. As for now though, we're just gonna get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.